Hi all, this is Karthik Balaji and I belong 2013-2017 Instrumentation Control Engineering, passed out from St. Joseph's College of Engineering. And basically right after completing my higher secondary school, I wanted to do something different apart from the mainstream courses like mechanical or ECE or AAA. So at that time, through my relatives and friends, I came to know about this particular course called Instrumentation Control Engineering and the potential it had and the opportunities it provided. So it was very easy for me to finalize this course. So once I have decided to go with this particular course, the next major thing was to finalize a college. I thought it would be really difficult to find a good college for this particular course, but the reality is, if you see the number of colleges that provide this particular course, there are only very handful of colleges all over Tamil Nadu. And I wanted to do this particular course in Chennai, as I'm basically from South Tirunelveli. It was very easy for me there because it was only like 2 to 3 colleges that provide these courses in Chennai, and St. Joseph's College of Engineering was the best on those. You can see it for yourself through the university ranks that they have and the gold medals that they have, the colleagues they have. So I chose St. Joseph's College of Engineering. Thank God I had a appropriate cutoff to choose it in counseling. So yeah, finally I chose my college, and right on day one, first year of my college. So first year, okay, it's like a transition from your school to college, right? So you'll be having common subjects like not department oriented subjects. There were only common subjects like engineering, chemistry, engineering, graphics, and computer science, OOPS concepts. So all those things. So the only time when you can spend your time with your department staffs was in the laboratory. So we were always looking forward for those laboratory sessions so that we will be able to finally speak to all those staffs and representatives with whom we will be spending the next 3 to 4 years. So we were looking forward to it, and they were also really very welcoming to us, and they provided the best support for us, and they were like always watching out and looking out for us. They were guiding us right from the first year of the college. So yeah, once the first year is done, then we moved on to the second year as usual. So there, once you enter the department, everything was new there. The main reason is they encouraged us to have a good exposure by allowing us to go to various different colleges symposiums. So they encouraged us to participate in inter as well as intra-department symposiums, because exposure in this world is very very important, and they in St. Joseph's, especially our department instrumentation control engineering, the HODs and the staffs, they know it a lot. And even if you want to go to any small college or big college, it doesn't matter, they will encourage you to participate, to present your papers, to present your ideas, to participate in whatever events you want. So you I was able to grasp all the exposures in the second year. So when I entered the third year, you will have some knowledge about your particular stream, and you will be having major IB visits. So at that time you will know, okay, what are all the courses, I mean external courses you want to learn, and our college staffs will also guide. They'll tell, okay, if you want to go to this control system oriented job, okay, you have to do this particular PLC course, a SCADA course, or whatever. So yeah, they used to give all those inputs to you, and they used to mold you in whatever the line you want to go. And third year is also the best year for your placements. The reason is the third year is the you have a extra time. You cannot just go to a final year and start preparing for the interviews. You in the third year you will have a lot of time so that you can casually prepare for your placement opportunities as well. So third year in St. Joseph's, they have a particular program called Placement Orientation Program. They call it as POP program. So through POP program, they will groom you into the transition, right? Like when I entered from college, so the school to college, there is one transition. The second transition is from college to the society. So for that transition, the placement orientation program, it helped really a lot. And our department staffs, they were also very keen, and they were always striving to push ourselves forward. So once the placement orientation program is all done, and then we move on to the final year. Finally is like a Thanos snap, like in a flash of second it will just go like that, and just you just graduate from your degree and you become an engineer. and I cannot like forget there were n number of memories in which our staffs were guiding us, and always they were like, what to say, they were the anchor for us. They always kept us pushing forward. And even today, like after joining the companies, even still right now I have contacts with my staffs and HODs, and it is always a great pleasure to visit the campus. And when I speak about the campus, I cannot just forget about the infrastructure. Yes, of course, the laboratories and all the gymnasiums and the open auditoriums, everything is state of art in St. Joseph's College of Engineering. I don't need to vouch for that. You can just go there and just see it for yourself, and you'll know that I'm not lying. So I would like to say that St. Joseph's College of Engineering is like gave me a number of memories that I cannot forget forever. Thank you.